Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with a quick scan code video where we will be scanning all the wild pack figures, and that's it. So it'll be a quick one. Let's start with the Zuniceratops. It's one of my favorites of the lineup. Very cool, large figure mold. Loving the design. We got the Herrerasaurus. Here we go. It's got a cool gray color to it. One of my more fancied color schemes of that figure. We got the Dimorphodon. And again, if you guys don't pick these scan codes up if they're not working, try pausing it, or they'll be featured in later scan code videos. Just let me know in the comments if you're having trouble getting any of them. And we have the Rex, another very cool color pattern for this one. And there we go. Oh, we're out of focus. That's fine. It's gonna be stuck like that. So I hope you guys got the scan codes you needed for these wild pack figures, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.